Hello, Christina.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Thank
to-
you so much for coming to
Thank you for
meet
your
with
time.
us.
Yeah, thank you for your time. We're happy to be here, and we want to know about our press brake. What's your feedback?
Well, this has been an incredible machine. We've had it for a couple of years, and right when Jimmy called to say that you were all coming down, it stopped working. And we called right away on a Saturday, and on Sunday morning we had already a response from China with help. And we had continuous back and forth until Thursday. We got it up and running again. So I thank you for that.
Thank you. Good. Good. Thank you so much for your time.
And thank you for coming to meet with me.
Thank you. Thank
Take
you.
care.
HARSLE. Save time, money.